Salute to unknown identifiables for the video. I appreciate this attack by a boa constrictor. Listen to this story.
Ma'am, you have a what?
Boa constrictor.
You have a boa constrictor stuck to you.
It's a house. I'm outside with it.
You're outside with a boa constrictor stuck to your face.
Yes.
Okay.
I just rescued it yesterday, please.
You arrested the boa constrictor
I
yesterday?
rescued it.
You rescued it. Okay.
Yeah.
All right, stay on the line, please. Ma'am, I've notified the ambulance. Is the
Please, Maddie, fingers on my nose.
Ma'am, I've notified the ambulance and the fire and the police department.
Now
So the
she
boa
says that she
constrictor
has
had a hold
multiple
of your
more
nose?
snakes.
Yes.
Can you
Any
pry its
experienced
jaw
keeper
open
would
if
know
you
to
can?
keep rubbing
No,
alcohol
there's
close
blood
by
everywhere.
just in
Okay,
case of
and
a situation
its jaw
like
won't
this.
open?
No.
Okay, how
You
big
shouldn't
of a
have to
snake are
wait
we
for
talking,
somebody to
ma'am?
save you.
She's like 5.5
When you're dealing with
feet.
extra
5.5
large
feet?
reptiles, keep rubbing
You said
alcohol
you
near you.
rescued it yesterday?
Yes, I rescued two.
And you
You rescued
put a little
two
bit
and
on
the
their
other one put
nose,
away?
and they will let go
Yes.
immediately.
All of my snakes are put away.